Hello, I say we're from a parkour to the rich. But to my friend of fancy YouTuber because damn channel we're friend of fancy YouTube. Now, today I'm here to discuss something very important with you about wedding in an event here. There is every music to fit every occasion. But my dad didn't want me one day. Yeah, what DJ CB wa and you ma what bo wedding our son on fakwemu crack. And for that reason, I'm going to list some few songs you dare not play if you are a DJ. And I said that why I say a bride, another year groom, and more requested. I'm going to because I request and I check the wagon and will leak all your hair. And today, as I will buy it to do, I'm from a bar on phone call. First song, our list in a dringy. Not to form me da son be wami. It clearly sends a message there you are not over your ex-girlfriend. Another relationship a woman. If you marry Baba where is and enya sebi bokwe keziwe you're in the back. Yes. How would the DJ play you me that day some be wami? And that would be the official song gets us our wedding and say no way. Or yeah, red lights, big one. So a DJ, now I train you with the but the minimum wedding asa. If stones start flying left and right, or a day window, you're sponsored by yourself. Yes. Number 2 on the list, Kodrenchi, and this is the song. Tom and Jerry are worried the moontum. Clearly, Baba. It gives the impression that when they're coming, obey a boxing. Obey a fat, I can't work. It looks like there will not be peace in this relationship. Another when I came into DJ, I was a bonus more offense. And a couple Mr. Music Man couldn't Tom and Jerry. And to my so you are my star, shining star. I come about Tom and Jerry. Stella Bedjo Ward. Let me go to number 3. Number 3 song getting free. Oh yes, Sydney. Abuskeleke, sikabe sarebo, abuskeleke. Yes, this is a very bad signal. Impression as a man in there, Bessiana, or Quacono Musica Sapapam, away bars, and this sends some bad signals. Signals to be when you're too good for a while. I mean, Obia quite for that's a DJ but dropping your wedding day that's all called by Buskel in Case Sydney. Hey, one son no more, but she will wait, say, wash us, so one of our children know Rabbi Obey a gold digger, but I know a DJ no fault. It's a fucking thing, you know. Next on my list is coming from Ghana Rap Software. It's a good song, but I think Ebo wedding and other engagements you are sending a bad signal. And you're going to title it, hey, Sijania Brente, Menia Wadia Yaka. Why am I seta mama menkoda? Baby, I did me. I'm on my talk. It right for our why am I seta mama menkoda? Yes, story when you mean it looks like Obio Koto wedding ring gane bride wamba, but it clearly gives the impression be there. Tama worry ya worry ze. On shadanya papa. Because the mindsets in a human man and all this, how they see Jenya Brent or ya where I can. While forcing Wakishimiza, now why no more in the Biaro? Oh my God! Last song on my list, oh yeah, Ampong. I could confirm. Hey, the sister me that does you. Did you come by your wedding? The room was so come on. Great apple, I cook for we are silver, we are cook for. About it, I have cook for that. You know, I have cook for. The DJ, what about the take away a wire, brother? And there, what Bruno Mobile, EB offense. How DJ if you go play Akuko Furu Great Apple? We are silver, we are Kukofu, we are Kukofu, we are silver. Will be the word that I say, won't bore them. This be fucking silly.
Unya Kukofu, unya silver, unya Kukofu.
Last song on my list. Yes, before I end the show. Yes, I am given from the controller of the Ghanaian music industry as he claims and he says, Wojado. Now, Daminyoman, DJ Benya Kukudru, Abo Daminyoman. Hey! There, it's watching it's be fi wedding also. Just imagine they dear groom na another bride and or ye SM fan or a Shatawali fan. Are you for so let's invite the bride and the groom on the dancing floor and DJ Mititi drop the song, not that ship. Hey! Problem enkaye. Mbaya beji wo wedding nasan. So I'm not 4 strong boys one true name when chowe chirimba pro pra. Boko de jime dama. But anyway, this is what I can give you for today. A compilation of songs you shouldn't play at wedding grounds. Old songs. What can they? Oh, but you no. I'll bring the newer version and new brand new songs. It be today. Quick from Podias. Alright guys, so thank you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, fancy YouTuber, and enjoy more videos. I'm out of here. Subscribe, top. And subscribe, I will just subscribe. Area me a bell, no do. Aye, brother, I need I subscribe. Or from a parko, it's Yaman from a halam. Ya che tulika kra, emu amachana.